Welcome to Mile High Piano Guys, and this is the very first episode of this channel. All we do is move pianos all day, every day. Today, putting a 9-foot grand piano on its feet, or the casters. This piano is already sighted, so we begin by just taking the bolts off for the legs and unwrapping legs, which we have done ahead of time, and get everything set up to put back on the piano. So the piano is sitting on a dolly currently, so we need to put blocks underneath the board which the piano is laying on to prevent the piano from falling away or rolling away, falling over, or killing somebody. That yellow tool right there is what's called a Moondog, and that is a piano specific tool. You will not find that in stores anywhere, and you kind of have to be in the piano club to get one. Just popping these legs on real quick, and then it's on to siding the piano. Just making a few little adjustments here for better leverage, and slowly lower the piano down. This giant rubber band here is just here to keep the lid closed for when the piano is on its side and before we have the straps on. And just throwing this last leg on to complete the 3 set legs for the grand, and that way we can lower the Moondog and have everything level and where it needs to be. After taking this Moondog off, we put the lyre on, which that is the little thing with the pedals on it, and call it a day after that.